crabs share their food? Because they're shellfish. What do you call a cat that loves to bowl? An alley cat. Why did the dog sit in the shade? Because it didn't want to be a hot dog. How does a lion greet the other animals? Pleased to eat you. Why did the cookie go to the hospital? Because it felt crummy. What do you call a bear that got caught in the rain? A drizzly bear. Why did the picture go to jail? It was framed. How do you organize a space party? You plan it. Why do fish live in salt water? Because pepper makes them sneeze. Why don't cats play poker in the jungle? Too many cheetahs. Why don't elephants use computers? They're afraid of the mouse. What do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear. Designed for adult builders, the set offers a relaxing and mindful building experience, allowing enthusiasts to appreciate the intricate details and thoughtful design that mimic the natural elegance of the plum blossom. What do you call a sleeping bull? A bulldozer. What did one wall say to the other wall? I'll meet you at the corner. Why don't eggs tell jokes? They might crack up. The plum blossom is a fascinating and culturally significant flower with rich symbolism, history, and biological features. What you get if you cross a fish and an elephant? Swimming trunks. What do you call a pig that knows karate? A pork chop. The plum blossom belongs to the Rosaceae family and is closely related to cherries, peaches, and apricots. The tree produces small, fragrant flowers that bloom in shades of white, pink, or red, depending on the variety. Why did the banana go to the doctor? Because it wasn't peeling well. What do you call cheese that isn't yours? Nacho cheese. Why was the tomato blushing? Because it saw the salad dressing. Plum blossoms are native to China, but are also widely cultivated in Korea, Japan, and Vietnam. In traditional Chinese art, the plum blossom symbolizes winter and is one of the four gentlemen, representing perseverance and hope. This set pays homage to that cultural heritage, making it both a decorative piece and a conversation starter. The plum blossom is also known as the Chinese plum or Japanese apricot, is a beloved flowering tree with rich cultural, historical, and botanical significance. This model captures the beauty of the plum blossom with vivid red and magenta flowers at various stages of bloom, set against a woody stem. The arrangement is housed in a pastel blue flower pot adorned with a golden band and rests on a wood effect plinth, adding a touch of sophistication to any display. What do you call a fake noodle? An impasta. What do you call a snowman with a six-pack? An abdominal snowman. Why did the math book look so sad? It had too many problems. What's a snake's favorite subject in school? History. Why was the computer so cold? It left its windows open. The Lego icon's Plum Blossom is perfect for those who appreciate the fusion of nature, art, and building, making it a standout piece in the Lego Botanical Collection. What do you call a teacher who farts in class? A private tutor. Why did the kid bring a ladder to school? Because he wanted to go to high school. Why do bees have sticky hair? Because they use honeycombs. What did the tree say to the wind? Leave me alone. Why are frogs so happy? They eat whatever bugs them. What kind of tree fits in your hand? A palm tree. What do you call an alligator in a vest? An investigator. Why don't skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts. Why did the bicycle fall over? Because it was too tired. What did the big flower say to the little flower? Hi, bud. Why couldn't the pony sing? Because it was a little hoarse. What do snowmen eat for breakfast? Frosted flakes. Why did the turkey join a band? Because it had the drumsticks. What kind of music do mummies love? Rap music. Why didn't the skeleton go to the Halloween party? He had nobody to go with.